Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about a company that's been making headlines recently, Bread Financial. Now, you might be wondering, why Bread Financial? Well, that's a great question, and I'm glad you asked. You see, Bread Financial is a major player in the financial services industry, and they've been facing some challenges lately. So, the question on everyone's mind is Bread Financial in trouble? To answer that question, we're going to take a deep dive into Bread Financial's financials, their recent performance, and what the experts are saying. We'll also look at the potential risks and opportunities facing the company. So, grab a cup of coffee, sit back, and relax, because we're about to get into the nitty-gritty of Bread Financial's situation. And remember, this information is for educational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Before we get started, I want to remind you to subscribe to my channel for more videos on finance, investing, and personal finance. And don't forget to hit the like button if you find this video helpful. Now, let's get started. What is Bread Financial? Bread Financial is a publicly traded company that offers a variety of financial products and services, including credit cards, personal loans, and auto loans. The company was founded in 2005 and is headquartered in Columbus, Ohio. Bread Financial's recent performance. Bread Financial has been facing some challenges in recent quarters. The company's stock price has declined significantly, and its earnings have been below expectations. In addition, Bread Financial has been facing increased competition from other financial institutions. What are the risks facing Bread Financial? One of the biggest risks facing Bread Financial is the current economic climate. If the economy slows down, consumers may be less likely to borrow money, which could hurt Bread Financial's bottom line. Another risk is that Bread Financial may be unable to compete effectively with larger and more established financial institutions. This could lead to a decline in market share and profitability. What are the opportunities for Bread Financial? Despite the challenges it faces, Bread Financial still has a number of opportunities to grow. The company has a strong brand name and a loyal customer base. In addition, Bread Financial is well positioned to take advantage of the growing demand for financial products and services. So, is Bread Financial in trouble? It's difficult to say for sure whether Bread Financial is in trouble. The company is facing a number of challenges, but it also has a number of opportunities. Ultimately, the future of Bread Financial will depend on how well it is able to manage these risks and capitalize on these opportunities. Bread Financial is a complex company with a lot of moving parts. It's important to do your own research before investing in Bread Financial or any other company. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time. Please note, this script is a fictional example and does not necessarily reflect the views of the author or any other individual or organization.